Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Healthifyme smart scale to your phone. First, make sure your smart scale has working batteries, as this is crucial for power. Next, position the scale on a firm, level surface like a tiled floor, avoiding carpets for precise measurements. Finally, keep your smartphone close to the scale, ideally within 3 to 5 feet, to ensure a strong Bluetooth connection during the pairing process. Now, let's get the app ready. Head over to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and download the official Healthifyme application. Once installed, open the app and either create a brand new user account or simply log in if you already have one. Remember to grant the app any requested permissions, especially for Bluetooth and location, as these are essential for the scale to communicate with your phone. With the app set up, it's time to pair your scale. Open the Healthifyme app and look for the Devices or Smart Scale section within the Settings menu. Choose the option to add a new device. To activate the scale's Bluetooth, simply step onto it for a moment until its display lights up. Your phone should then detect the scale, select it from the list, and confirm any pairing requests that appear on your screen. Congratulations, your scale is now connected. For your first measurement, step onto the scale barefoot and stand still for about 5 to 10 seconds. The scale will display your weight and other body composition metrics. After a moment, your data should automatically sync and appear within the Healthifyme app. You can now track your progress and gain valuable insights into your health journey with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.